So, here's some of the key takeaways from today. It really is important now. We are seeing in all of our technology consultations, we're seeing experience front and center, and it is being driven by all the things we talked about today. It's about more than just proposals. You need to have a strategy. Of course, proposals, a lot of times, RFPs do drive it, but it also does, like all technology, you need a champion, you need buy-in, you need communication, you need training. There's a lot of things you can't forget about. You need to focus on best practices. And most important, don't do it alone, right? Most firms are not lucky enough to have somebody that's done this 2 or 3 times before. Most firms, you're trying to buy technology, but you're not sure what to buy. You're trying to get buy-in. How are you going to do that? Pilot groups, there's a lot of pieces to the puzzle to getting it right. So don't do it alone. Don't reinvent the wheel, and don't try to boil the ocean. Focus on manageable projects, getting some wins, and then communicating the successes, and then get another project. So there's, again, just like with CRM, there's a lot of things you can do with experience management, but it's all about figuring out all these different things you can do. And for each one, who are your constituents? Who are your champions? Who's your audience? What are the challenges, and what are the real opportunities and the value when you succeed? And how do we communicate all of this? And with experience, it's a newer technology, and we're having a lot of folks that have bought it or are in the process of buying it. We're helping firms do the selection process, and we're happy to help with that, but we want clients to succeed with it. So what we're doing, like we do for all technology, is a needs assessment. It starts with our core service, which is a workshop to really kind of figure out what are your needs, what are your challenges and opportunities, how do you build the case for experience, or if you've already bought the technology, how do we now go get ROI on this? How do we actually go and get some wins? And how do we be successful with this technology and then take it to the next level? As part of that, we can do in-person presentations, surveys of the firm, the key stakeholders, the leaders, and it all helps get them on board. And when they bring us on, we're sharing information, ideas, and best practices gathered from working together with literally hundreds of top firms, for more than 15 years.